Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward to talk about the UP round 1 result. Which seats are left and which seats are over in which colleges and which branch. This video is very important for all the non-eligible students right now in case of the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. If you are an aspirant and planning for the UP state to get a seat in the second round onwards, then definitely this video is for you. Through the reels and the shorts, I have already told you that in the round 1 of UP state counseling, in case of the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, total we have 703 seats, right? Out of which 351 seats are filled already. That means the 50% of the UP seats are filled in the first round of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So just imagine the situation that the chances to get a seat is just 50% in case of the UP state from second round onwards. So if you are a non-eligible student, then also, and if you are planning to take the seat in the UP state, then also this video is very important, followed by the guidance is also important. And for that you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. That is the another facility which is related to my channel this year. Followed by that, you can also have a facility to book the call and to get the guidance immediately. Definitely it's a paid services, so for that you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. Register yourself, ask for the link, register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. Now back to the topic. Let's see the round 1 final allotment seats which are allotted according to the department. First of all, we need to see that out of the 703 seats, how many department wise the seats are over. So first of all, the first department is the oral and maxillofacial surgery, that is OS. 65 seats are allotted to the candidates in round 1 of UP state. Orthodontics, 79 seats are allotted. Prosthodontics, 57 seats are allotted. Orthodontics, 62 seats are allotted. Periodontology, 34 seats are allotted. Public health dentistry, 7 seats are allotted. Single number 7 I am saying. Followed by OMR, 10 seats are allotted. Followed by pediatric dentistry, 10 seats are allotted to the pedo department. And OP, 10 seats are allotted to the OP. Criteria is on the base of the colleges. That means per college, how many seats are filled and in which branch. This is the detailed video of the UP round 1 result. So it's my humble request that you can subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to this video and share this video as much possible for you as you can. And watch this video till the end. Now back to the topic. The first college we are going to discuss is the ITS Bareilly. 6 endodontic seats are allotted. 6 prosthodontic seats are allotted. 1 periodontology seat is allotted. 6 OS seat is allotted and 0 public health dentistry seat in this department. Followed by the 1 pedodontic seat is allotted. 3 orthodontic seat is allotted in this college. 1 OMR seat is allotted and 0 OP seat is allotted. So this will clear all your queries like in which college you will take the admission according to the number of seats left, right? Next is the TMU, that is the Tirthankar Mahavir Dental College and Research Institute present in Moradabad, again a private college. Definitely the 3 endodontic seats are filled, 2 prosthodontic seats are filled, 1 periodontology seats are filled, 4 oral surgery seats are filled, 1 public health dentistry seats are filled, 0 pediatric seat is there, 0 orthodontic seats, 0 OMR and 0 OP seat. That means if you are planning for the TMU, just think about these branches which are left as 0. Azamgarh Dental College, which is the private dental college of Uttar Pradesh, endodontic seat is 0, prosthodontic seat is 0 there, followed by the periodontology 2 seats are filled, oral surgery seat is 0, public health dentistry seat is 0, pedodontics is 0, orthodontics is 0 in this college, 1 OMR seat is filled and 0 for the OP seat. Private Dental College of Uttar Pradesh is the BBD Dental College present in Lucknow. 6 endodontic seats are filled, 4 prosthodontic seats are filled, 0 periodontology seat is there, 3 oral surgery seats are filled, 0 public health dentistry seat is there, 1 pedodontic seat is filled, 4 orthodontic seat is filled, 1 OMR and 1 oral pathology seat is filled. Career Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences and Hospital present in Lucknow, again a private dental college. 5 endodontic seats are filled, 2 prosthodontic seats are filled, 3 periodontology seats are filled, 5 oral surgery seats are filled, 2 public health dentistry seat is filled, 2 pedodontic seat is filled, 2 orthodontic seat is filled, 0 OMR seat and 1 OP seat is filled. Chandra Dental College, which is present in Barabanki, which is the private dental college, 4 endodontic seat is filled, 1 prosthodontic seat is filled, 2 periodontology seat is filled, 5 oral surgery seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat, 1 pedodontic seat is filled, 1 orthodontic seat is filled, 0 OMR seat and 1 OP seat is filled. Followed by the DJ Dental College and Hospital Modi Nagar, which is the private dental college, 0 endodontic seat is filled. That means endodontic seat is still left in DJ Dental College. Followed by the 1 prosthodontic seat is filled, 0 periodontology seat is filled, 0 oral surgery department seat is there, 0 public health dentistry, then 1 pedodontic seat is filled, 1 orthodontic seat is filled, 1 OMR and 1 OP seat is already filled. Now the IDST Dental College, Modi Nagar, Ghaziabad, which is present as a private dental college, 3 endodontic seat is filled, 0 prosthodontic seat and 0 periodontology seat. 1 OS seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat, followed by 1 orthodontic seat is filled, 1 pedodontic seat is filled, 0 OMR seat and 0 OP seat. Indraprastha Dental College and Hospital present in Ghaziabad, again a private dental college, 4 endodontic seat is filled, 1 prosthodontic seat is filled, 3 periodontology seat is filled, 0 OS seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry is filled, 1 pedodontic seat is filled, 3 ortho seat is filled, that means orthodontics, 0 for OMR and OP in case of Indraprastha. Next college is the ITS Ghaziabad, again a private dental college. 6 endodontic seats is filled, 6 prosthodontic seat is filled, 4 periodontology seat is filled, 6 OS seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry, 2 seats are filled in pedodontics, 6 seats are filled in orthodontics, 0 seats are filled in OMR and 2 seats are filled in oral pathology. Followed by the ITS Dental College, Greater Noida, again a private dental college. 5 endodontic seat is filled, 5 prosthodontic seat is filled, 0 periodontology seat is there, 3 oral surgery seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat is there, 4 pedodontic seat is filled, 5 orthodontic seat is filled, then 0 OMR and OP seat is there. A single seat is filled in the Kalka Dental College, which is present in Meerut, again a private dental college. Followed by the KD Dental College and Hospital present in Mathura, again a private dental college. 6 endodontic seat is filled, 3 prosthodontic seat is filled, 0 periodontology seat is filled, followed by 2 oral surgery seat is filled, 2 public health dentistry seat is filled, 1 periodontic seat is filled, 4 orthodontic seat is filled, 3 OMR seat is filled, and 0 oral pathology seat is there. KGMC Lucknow, 3 endodontic seat is filled. Again, KGMC Lucknow is a government college seat, right? So 3 endodontic seat is filled, 3 prosthodontic seat is filled, 3 periodontology seat is filled, 3 OS seat is filled, 3 pedo seats is filled, 2 public health dentistry is filled, 3 orthodontic seat is filled, 1 OMR seat is filled, and 2 oral pathology seat is filled. Followed by the Kotiwal Dental College and Research Center, Moradabad, again a private dental college. 6 endodontic seat is filled, 3 prosthodontic seat is filled, 5 periodontology seat is filled, 3 OS seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat is there, 1 periodontic seat is filled, 1 seat in OMR and OP is filled, followed by the 6 orthodontic seat is completely filled. Next is the Rama Dental College, Kanpur, again a private dental college. 1 endodontic seat is filled, 0 prosthodontics and periodontics seat, followed by 5 oral surgery seat is filled, 0 pedodontics and public health dentistry, followed by 0 OMR and 0 OP, followed by 1 orthodontic seat is filled. Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, Safai Itawa, it is the government dental college, and there is 0 endodontic seat is filled, 0 prosthodontic seat is filled, 2 periodontology seat is filled, followed by 0 OS, 0 public health dentistry, 0 pedodontics, 0 orthodontics, 0 for OP and OMR. Then the Saraswati Dental College, present in Lucknow, which is the private dental college. 6 endodontic seat is filled, 5 prosthodontic seat is filled, 0 periodontology seat is there, followed by 5 OS seat is filled, followed by 0 public health dentistry seat is there, followed by 3 pediatric seat is filled, 6 orthodontic seat is filled, followed by 0 OP and OMR seat in this college. Followed by the Sardar Patel Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences and Medical Sciences, Lucknow, present as a private dental college. 6 endodontic seat is filled, 6 prosthodontic seat is filled, 2 periodontology seat is filled, 5 oral surgery seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat is there, 3 pedodontic seat is filled, 6 endodontic seat is filled, 1 OMR seat is filled, and 0 OP seat is there. Followed by School of Dental Sciences, Sharda University, Greater Noida, a private dental college. 3 endodontic seat is filled, 3 prosthodontic seat is filled, 3 OS seat is filled, 0 periodontology seat is there, followed by 0 pediatric dentistry and 0 for public health dentistry. 3 orthodontic seat is filled, 0 for OP and OMR. K. Bihari Dental College, present in Ghaziabad, again a private dental college. Endodontic and prosthodontics and periodontology. All the 3 branches have 0 seat right now. 3 oral surgery seat is filled, followed by 0 public health dentistry, 0 for the pediatric dentistry, 1 seat in orthodontics is filled, 1 in the OP and 0 for OMR. Followed by the Subharti Dental College, present in Meerut, again a private dental college. 6 endodontic seat is filled, 6 prosthodontic seat is filled, 5 periodontology seat is filled, 3 oral surgery seat is filled, 0 public health dentistry seat is there, 3 pedodontic seat is filled, and 6 orthodontic seat is filled, 1 OMR seat is filled, and 0 for the oral pathology seat in the Subharti Dental College. So this is the result analysis according to the college wise, the number of branches and their seats, how many filled and how many left. Out of the 703 total seats, 351 seats are filled. Most of the seats are left as OMR or OP seat, but somewhere somehow some endodontics and some prosthodontic seats are also left. Let's hope for the best in the second round of UP State Counselling. Definitely you need to see the seat matrix before the choice filling in the second round of UP State Counselling. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 Counselling. That's all about the today's analysis. Thank you for watching.